Hey, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. I hope you all had a good start in the week, profitable start in the week. We made some money today. I'm very happy about it. In today's video, I'm going to talk about, of course, the trades that we took today. And I want to talk about the 5 fundamental truths of trading. So the first truth is that anything can happen. In your journey through the market, you must recognize that unpredictability is the only certainty. Okay? Tools, charts, and analysis can be helpful, but they can't offer bulletproof predictions. One unpredictable political event or news event can have an unpredictable impact on the market. So always keep in mind that there are unexpected turns you have to deal with. Okay? Be prepared for any outcome in every trade you take. The second truth is that you don't need to predict the future to succeed. Your success in trading doesn't depend on your ability to foresee what comes next. All you need is a system with a statistical edge and effective risk management. Imagine a coin flip. Okay? You don't predict the next outcome, but if your strategy ensures more gains than losses over time, then you have an edge that will generate profits on a consistent basis. The third truth is that wins and losses come in random patterns. Even if your trading strategy has a 60% win rate, this doesn't mean that every 6 out of 10 trades will be winners for you. Losses and wins can come in unexpected streaks. It's similar to rolling a dice that favors a certain number. It won't always land as expected, you know. And this understanding prevents you from reading too much into short-term results. You got to focus on the long-term game. I mean, how many trades you win after 100 trades or 1,000 trades? This is what is important. And the fourth truth is that an edge in trading is simply a higher probability of one outcome over another. But it's not a guarantee, okay? So this truth should help you to maintain realistic expectations in your trading decisions, even if you have an edge. There's not a guarantee that will work every time. And the fifth truth is that every moment is unique, okay? The market is ever changing with no 2 days being exactly the same. Patterns might repeat, but the surrounding circumstances like news or global events always differ. And this uniqueness requires you to be adaptable and continuously learn. And by embracing these 5 truths, you free yourself from many of the mental burdens associated with losses. And adapting this mindset enables you to approach the market with an open and relaxed attitude, which is essential for your consistent performance and long-term success. Remember, it's not about always being right. It's about being resilient, adaptable, and ready to seize the opportunities that come your way, no matter how unexpected they may be. All right, let's get into the charts, guys. Let's talk about the Nasdaq trade that we took today, the one that I've shared for free with everyone from my free Telegram channel. Make sure to join the channel. The link is down below in the description, okay? So we took a buy on Nasdaq, guys, but why we took a buy? It's very easy, guys, very simple trading logic. It's based on the index sniper strategy from the Genius Trading Masterclass course. If you're not a member yet, if you're not a Genius Trading member yet, if you haven't studied all our trading strategies, make sure to check genius-trading.com. You can join for $49 a month and study everything that we got straight away. It's a very nice opportunity. The yearly membership fee is $365. It's $1 per day. If you're serious about your trading career and you want to become a consistent profit trader, you should really check out our trading systems because they are highly profitable. We have a lot of successful students. You can check all the video feedbacks on my YouTube channel. I have more than 100 video feedbacks from students from all over the world. Check it out, man. If you're serious about trading, Genius Trading Masterclass is the right way, right? So let's talk about the trade, guys. So what we had in here, let's do it nice and quick. We had Friday's lows in here, right? Friday's lows got taken out before the New York session started, and I was looking for a reversal sign. I want to see a break of structure to the upside. And as soon as we had this beautiful pop in here that broke multiple structures, I was starting to buy this thing, okay? I started to buy this thing, had my stop sitting somewhere down below in here, around the 16,700 area, somewhere in here. And yeah, when the market came back again below these double bottom in here, I was taking another buy entry after I saw that we have another green candle on the 5-minute chart. I was buying this thing again, and then I took profits around yesterday's high, guys. This is where I took profits, and this was basically the trade. It was pretty simple setup. This is what I'm looking for every day in the market, especially on Nasdaq and SP 500. Whenever I see a significant lower high gets taken out, I want to see a reversal. And if I see a reversal, I jump in and move with the flow of the market. That's what I'm doing, guys. I hope this video was helpful. And yeah, if you're not inside the free Telegram channel yet, make sure to join, guys. I share all my trading ideas in there. You can learn from that. You can contact me privately in Telegram as well if you're looking for help. You're gonna get the Genius Trading Making Money Extreme Zones ebook with the Extreme Zone trading strategy inside for free if you drop me a message right now. It's an indicator-based strategy combined with a money management system and then dynamic risk strategy that we developed to compound your account crazy quick. So if you haven't grabbed a copy of Genius Trader Making Money Extreme Zones now, then drop me a message right now in Telegram. I'm gonna send you the ebook, give you the indicator setup and everything that you need to know to print money with this strategy 100% for free, right? And yeah, that's it for today. I hope your trading week will be profitable, guys. Yeah, I wish you much success for the upcoming trading days. And yeah, stay healthy, wealthy, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Peace.